Managing multiple Facebook accounts isn't as simple as you think, right? I believe everyone has had this experience. You can't register no matter what you do, your data doesn't increase, and your account is suddenly blocked. In reality, the issue usually comes down to two main things. First, your IP isn't clean enough. Maybe it's been reused by too many people before you. And second, your browser fingerprint stays the same even if you think you've hidden yourself. Once Facebook sees a pattern, you're flagged. A lot of beginners assume that just clearing cookies or using incognito mode is enough, but honestly, this is far from enough. When you log into Facebook, your browser leaks a lot more information than you realize. Your IP address, your device type, your browser version, your time zone, your language settings, even small details like your Canvas fingerprint. Platforms like Facebook are extremely good at picking up on these signals and linking your accounts together behind the scenes. That's why simply using incognito mode doesn't really work anymore. So how to stay different? Most serious media buyers and affiliate marketers don't just rely on proxies or VPNs. They use anti-detect browsers to create fully isolated environments. Personally, after trying quite a few options, I go back to using MoreLogin. It's the one anti-detect browser that's consistently stable, secure, and easy to operate at scale. It's not just about changing your IP. It actually simulates a real browser from the ground up, with independent cookies, storage, time zone, and even system fonts. Each profile gets its own completely clean identity. Plus, compared to some sketchy browsers out there that have had serious security issues, MoreLogin is end-to-end encrypted and audited, which gave me a lot more peace of mind. If you're interested, I will show you step-by-step how I use it to manage my Facebook accounts. First, go to the MoreLogin official website and click Sign Up. Here you can choose to sign in with Google or email. I've already logged in before, so I'll click Sign Up. After logging in, you'll get to the download page. Tap Download Free to start downloading. Then click the one-click installation. Once that's done, click Experience Now and log in again. Boom. You're in the More Login interface now. So here's the deal. Each of us can create two profiles normally. But if you click the link in the video description to sign up and download, you get to make 150 profiles free for 14 days, just like I'm doing right now. Regular signups without the link only get you two. Need more profile? Just hit billing, then renew to see all the subscription plans. The longer you commit, the better discount you get. Pick what works for you, hit submit, and pay up. Now let me walk you through creating a new profile. First, click New Profile at top left. Go to Advanced Create. Name your profile whatever you want. Under Browser, MoreLogin offers Chrome and Firefox with auto-match. Definitely recommend checking that. For OS options, Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, since they can all simulate any system, just pick All. Though I'm sticking with Windows here. You're in control. Pick your own UA and tweak fingerprint details however you need. Full customization for your setup. There's end-to-end description support and Canvas fingerprint technology innovation if you're into that. Assign groups tags, notes however you like. When you get to proxies, use existing ones if you have them, create new ones, or click Purchase Proxy, Buy More. Pick your proxy type. Mine's SOX5. Enter the server info. For accounts, you can add Facebook, YouTube, Google. Just plug in your username/password. Cookies? Import them or copy-paste from your browser. Hit Confirm when done, and boom, new profile ready to roll. All right, let's put these profiles through a security check. I've already set up multiple profiles here. Watch this. We're going to fire them all up and punch in this verification website. Check it out. Every single profile's rocking different IP addresses, data sets, languages, and time zones. Boom! All test results show 100% secure. So yeah, you're good to go with more login setups. No sweat about getting flagged or anything. This right here, solid proof it works like a charm. Sometimes you will find that some accounts will prompt an error when logging in. It is not a account problem, but a network problem. Just try to change to a clean IP. By the way, when you just registered or got a new FB account, it is not recommended to modify the information immediately. First, maintain the account and slowly modify other information. I've used more login for everything: personal accounts, client ad accounts, big media buying projects. And honestly, once you start doing it the right way, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. No more random bans, no more weird verifications, no more wasted accounts. If you want to try, don't forget to click on the link below the video. Found this video helpful? Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media accounts safely.